Thanks for staying tuned to First Alert 25 on this First Alert weather day. We do have a moderate risk now for severe weather across parts of central Texas. That's going to be over the eastern counties, from Corsicana down towards Fairfield and Centerville. That's a 3 out of 4 point scale, so a pretty good risk there happening over our eastern counties. Enhanced risk now in place from Gatesville, Lampasas over towards Waco, Temple, and Killeen, and now a slight risk in place for the rest of our western counties. It's there that we're going to see the storms blow up initially, and because the thunderstorms are now looking to blow up a little bit on the isolated side, we've raised the risk for tornado now to a 4 on a 10-point scale. Still expect only a few tornadoes, but with the storms blowing up at first isolated before turning into a squall line, it's something we've got to watch very closely. We've also raised the risk for hail, now level 5 with golf ball size hail possible. Although the main threat continues to be wind, some wind gusts to 75 miles per hour will occur, so that's now on a level 6 on a 10-point scale, and that's going to be again mainly from I-35 off to the east. Let's take it through time here on Future Track, show you how this will play out, because we'll see the potential for some scattered showers through the day. If we can get any storms to bubble up out ahead of this main line, they will have the potential to spin. I don't think that happens because we're going to have a cap sitting right over us. However, once we get later on into the afternoon, our cold front will approach and we'll see isolated thunderstorms start to pop from, say, a Hamilton, Lampasas, Burnett line and off to the east. They may pop right along I-35. Once they do, they'll have a brief potential to be what we call supercell thunderstorms, which means they could spin, producing hail, maybe an isolated tornado or two. After that, they should grow into a line of thunderstorms, some of which will be strong to severe, that work over our eastern counties from I-35 off to the east. And it's once we get this line of thunderstorms going that the threat will turn into mainly a wind threat, although we can't rule out a spin-up tornado, especially once these storms get into our eastern counties and we get some winds blowing out of the south a little bit stronger later on tonight. Should work over the Bryan College Station area, say around 10 o'clock. Waco, Temple, Killeen again from about 6 to 9, depending on when they pop. And then Waco, the Bryan College Station area around 10 o'clock. Everything should clear out of here by midnight. We've got a nicer day on the way for Saturday, maybe some showers in the morning, and then clear skies after that. Now set us up for what will be a beautiful weekend. So once we get through this strong thunderstorm potential tonight, will be a pretty nice weekend on the way. Let's show you that 10-day forecast, because again, First Alert weather day for today, a high of 73. 40 degrees tomorrow morning for your Saturday. Will be at 51 with a 20% chance of some morning showers. After that, warming into the 70s with another chance of rain coming up Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. That's with our next front, which may bring us temperatures in the 40s and the 50s, so a stronger cold front on the way. Stay tuned to First Alert 25 through the day for updates during this First Alert weather day. Thanks for staying tuned and make it a great day. I'm meteorologist Josh Johns.